Hello and a very warm welcome to this tapping video. So fear and panic, how does it affect you? This is what we're going to work on today, okay? Have a think about how when you're in fear it affects you, how you're in panic. You can usually feel that somewhere in your body. Your feeling centre is usually your stomach or your chest. So notice where you feel that real panic or that when you get into that fear, okay? Panic, well, I want you to give this a number, okay? Out of 10, 10 being really, really strong and 0 being not strong at all. So 10, real fear and panic. Let that rattle around, give that a number for me. Just get into that feeling, okay? What we're going to do, we're going to tap specifically on that for you. And the plan is to lower that so we can take some control of this stuff, all right? Okay, so just gently tap with me now on the side of the hand. So I'm feeling in all this fear. And I feel really panicked. And I feel like it's taking over control of me. And I just want to be able to let it go. And what if I could just spend a moment accepting me now anyway? But I feel like I'm constantly stuck in this fear and panic, all this worry and anxiety. And I want to be able to let some of that go today. And instead, I choose to love and accept me now anyway. But I'm just overwhelmed with fear. Everything that's been said around me and to me, and it's just putting me in a complete state of panic. But what if I could just let go of some of that today? Instead, choosing to love and accept me now, and sending love and acceptance to anyone else that might be involved. Okay, so just start tapping on the points. So I'm just experiencing so much fear right now. I feel all this panic and I notice it somewhere in my body. Maybe this tight, constricted feeling. Maybe I'm short of breath. And I'm just struggling to know which way to turn. All this fear. All this fear. It's all consuming. And I feel panicky so much of the time. I can feel it in my body. Just noticing where that panicky feeling is. This fear of what might or might not be. These fear, worries and anxieties. All this stuff that's going on right now. And it's having such a huge impact on my mind and body. Just experiencing all this fear. All this anxiety, all this worry. But what if I could just be open to letting some of that go? What if I could choose to let it go? What if I could stop fear ruling me? And what if I could be in charge of it? What if I could just choose to know that fear stands for false evidence appearing real? And I can't control what goes on outside of me, but I can control my own reaction to it. I'm in control of my own response. What if I could maybe just stop listening to certain people? What if I could make my own decision? Maybe lower my consumption of the news, all fear-based stuff. What if I could just be open to letting go? Just lowering these panicky feelings. Instead, being in a place of calmness, feeling more calm and relaxed, experiencing more clarity and focus, letting go of some of that brain fog. What if I could just let go now? Even just for the time being. Feeling more calm and relaxed. Calm and relaxed. I don't need to let it control me. I want to start taking charge. I can choose how I respond to this. I can choose how I react. And it feels so good just to be able to let some of it go. Maybe it's safe to let some of it go now. Maybe it's okay to let it go. It's just an old response. Letting go of this fight or flight. I get to choose. Feeling more calm and relaxed. In a safer space now. Through every single cell in my body. That's wonderful. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. Fabulous. Just check in with that part of your body where you felt that before. That number should have gone down, should feel in a better, kind of calmer space. I want you to repeat this video as and when necessary. Check my other videos out as well. There's a load of more free ones on my YouTube channel, Change for Success. Feel free to hit subscribe. Please let me know how you got on. And, you can let go. You're the one in control. So I hope you're feeling good, you're feeling okay. And I'll catch you very soon. Okay, take care.